This is called peel off. I am peeling off the banana skin.
This is called zip up. I am zipping up the jacket.
This is called screw in. I am screwing in the light bulb.
This is called turn over. I am turning over the pancake.
This is called plug in. I am plugging in the charger.
This is called unplug. I am unplugging the cable.
This is called take off. I am taking off my cap.
This is called put on. I am putting on my shoes.
This is called pull out. I am pulling out the drawer.
This is called open up. I am opening up the window.
Please, the banana skin. B, peel off. Please, your jacket before going outside. C, zip up. Can you, the light bulb into the socket? A, screw in. Please, the charger to charge your phone. A, plug in. Please, the charger before leaving. C, unplug. Please, your shoes before going outside. C, put on. Please, the window for fresh air. D, open up.